If prompted by the front panel, scrape the fusing lamp glass on the HP JetFusion 300 and 500 3D printer series before printing a job. Open the top cover. For better access, you can move the front panel arm. Pull the fusing carriage from the left of the build chamber to the center. Pull the lamp release handle to disengage the lamp module from the printer. Lift the lamp handle and rotate the lamp to the left, then push to lock it into the cleaning position. Use a glass scraper with a metal razor to scrape any fused material from the fusing lamp glass. After scraping, clean the fusing lamp glass with an anti-static alcohol wipe. Vacuum the debris on the build chamber. Pull the lamp to release it from its locked cleaning position, then rotate the lamp back to the right. Push the lamp release handle back into place to connect the lamp module to the printer. Pull the fusing carriage back to its home position, then lower the front panel arm. Close the top cover. On the front panel, touch Finish and OK to complete the process. With the cleaning complete, you can resume printing.